Oh, Bobby, you're back. You're back with more questions. I'm still in my car, so yeah, I'm just waiting for the soccer game to start. So I'm just going to keep going. Here we go. I too wish there was another season of Hollywood Darlings. Thank you. I wish it was actually out on a streamer so people could continue to watch it. Like, why is it not? I don't know. It's weird. I should have my own channel to interview celebrities like Melissa Joan Hart. That's interesting. You know, there's a lot of people that have YouTube channels. I don't know. It seems like a lot of work. I have my hands so full these days. I am directing television. I'm with my kids. I'm doing audiobooks. I'm choreographing films and television. And it's just, it's a great idea. I'm not poo-pooing it. I just don't know that I have the time right now to start a new venture. I've got a podcast. So maybe we'll bring on, we'll bring some celebrities on season 2 of the podcast, and then we could interview them on the podcast. That's probably more likely. So that's probably going to start in, hopefully we'll have a season 2 come out in September, hopefully. But I think we're going to do a lot of, people from Step by Step, and then certainly all of the celebrities that were on it, even as kids, like Marla Sokoloff was on it, and Scott Foley was on it, and anyway, lots of cool people that we could interview. I loved working on the movie You Again. I mean, Odette Yetzman, such a nice person. Kristen Bell I've known for years and years. We were actually in a small little theater show in LA years ago, and she lived with me for a small amount of time, and then we did a movie musical called Reefer Madness, and so we've known each other for a while, and she is a riot. She's so much fun to be around, and just a hilarious, thoughtful, wonderful person. So yes, I wish I saw more of her in my life. I just adore her. I think she's great. Have I ever seen The Big Bang Theory? I have seen The Big Bang Theory. Yes, it plays a lot. It is on a lot of channels. I don't necessarily seek out the show, but I've seen it many, many times. And Johnny Galecki is someone who's been around for ages. I can't say our paths have ever crossed, but I certainly remember him from Roseanne. And I loved the show Roseanne, and I thought he was really great on that. So, I mean, he's had an amazing career, big fan. He's just always really solid, just a really great actor. And Maya, I may have met once. I had a very good friend, Jenna Von Oy, who was on the show Blossom, and I remember maybe crossing paths with Maya once or twice. So yeah, it's a small world. It's a small world in Hollywood. And when you've been in it as long as I have, you're bound to cross paths with someone every now and then. And yeah, I too was a huge Buffy the Vampire Slayer fan. I loved that show. It was just fantastic. I've never met Sarah Michelle, but that movie really, I mean, that TV show really just sticks out in my mind. And I feel like so many people I know were on it. Tom Blank and Julie Benz, and so, everybody I auditioned for it many times as a young actress, but never had the opportunity to be on it. Anyway, these are all my answers. I have to go now because soccer is starting, but I hope that I have given you some insight into Hollywood. And best of luck to you. Best of continued luck to you. Mwah, and ciao.